This is the BotBuhdy Daily AI Report for April 27, 2026. The U.S. State Department just fired a global alarm. DeepSeek and other Chinese AI firms are allegedly stealing intellectual property on a massive scale. This isn't quiet diplomacy. It's a formal warning dispatched to governments and corporations worldwide. Your AI technology is a target. DeepSeek blindsided the industry earlier this year with remarkably cheap, powerful models. Now the question on everyone's lips is, how? If the accusations hold, expect tighter export controls, severed research partnerships, and a whole new chapter in the tech Cold War. The US-China AI rivalry just shifted from competition to something that looks a lot more like a confrontation. Hundreds of metropolitan police officers are now under investigation, not by internal affairs detectives, but by an artificial intelligence system built by Palantir. London's Met confirmed the deployment, using the tool to scan officer records for misconduct patterns in ways that would take human investigators years. It's a striking shift in how institutions police themselves, but critics are already raising hard questions. Who audits the algorithm? What happens when an officer's career is derailed by a false positive? The line between accountability and algorithmic bias is razor thin here. This is either the future of institutional integrity or a preview of something far more troubling. Don't miss a story. Like and subscribe to the BotBuhdy Daily AI Report for fresh AI news every single day. Forget everything you know about how AI gets trained. Researchers from Nvidia and Oxford just demonstrated a method that eliminates backpropagation entirely, the foundational technique powering deep learning for decades. And the results aren't just different. They're 100 times faster. Backpropagation forces the whole network to process every result in sequence, which is computationally brutal at scale. This new forward-only approach obliterates that bottleneck. If it holds up, training the next generation of massive AI models could cost a fraction of what it does today. Less energy, less hardware, less time. This might be the kind of breakthrough that reshapes the entire industry from the ground up. This is an AI-generated production. AI-generated images and voiceover are used throughout. xAI just gave Grok a voice. The company launched Grok-Voice today, letting users have full natural conversations with the AI through speech rather than text. It sounds simple, but the implications run deep. Voice is the interface that wins casual users. It's how Siri and Alexa built their empires. Now xAI is stepping directly onto that turf. Grok-Voice makes AI accessible to people who've never typed a single prompt in their lives. It also locks users deeper into the X ecosystem. Whether this becomes a mainstream habit or a niche feature depends entirely on how natural those conversations actually feel. The bar is high. We'll be watching closely. 8,500 robots, all coordinated, all autonomous, all manufacturing at a scale the world has never seen. China just activated the largest robotic production grid in history, an interconnected swarm designed for machine precision with zero downtime. These aren't simple assembly line arms. This is an industrial organism. The economic consequences are enormous. If China manufactures faster, cheaper, and more reliably than any human workforce on Earth, global supply chains will tilt hard and fast. Factory jobs already under pressure are now facing something existential. And countries that bet reshoring would protect them, they need a new strategy. And they needed it yesterday. Leverage your intelligence. Stay ahead of the machines. Find us at botbuddy.com.